Volume 2 of Gregg Shorthand, Lesson 1, Reading Practice number 6. Dear Mr. Hale, in December, I had the pleasure of hearing you make short presentation to the Dallas Publishing Association on the subject of metrics in the publishing business, period. I was very much impressed with the talk, and I would like to ask you to make a similar presentation to my association, the Troy Publishing Club, at its regular spring meeting in April, period. The presentation can be made on April 3, 4, or 5, paragraph. I understand that your talks are usually sponsored by the General Electronics Company, and that your speaking schedule is arranged by them, period. I trust you will forward this request to them, paragraph. I certainly hope that you will be able to accept this invitation to speak to our organization, period. We will be looking forward to hear from you soon, period. Cordially yours. Reading practice number 7. Dear Miss Bates, thank you for your letter inviting me to speak at the regular spring meeting of the Troy Publishing Club in April, period. I wish that it were possible for me to come to Troy, but I will be out of the state on a business trip during the entire month of April, paragraph. I will be available if you would like me to come in May, June, or July, period. If you need someone to speak on the metric system in April. However, I would like to suggest Miss Mary Jones of the General Business College. Period. She is one of the leading authorities on the subject, and she would be available to speak to your group on April 3, 4, or 5. Paragraph. Please call me if I can be of help to you in the future. Period. Yours very sincerely. Reading practice number 8. Dear Sir or Madam, I was in Chicago on a trip last month, and I bought a small lamp in your department store. Period. It was a beautiful green lamp that I purchased as a gift for a good friend. Period. I ordinarily check to see if electrical appliances work satisfactorily before I leave the store. Period. On that day, however, I was in a hurry and I did not check the lamp. Period. I discovered that it would not work after I returned to my home. Paragraph. Please let me know if I should send the lamp back to you or have it repaired here. Period. I am enclosing a copy of the sales slip. Period. Yours truly.